In this video I will show you how to use one of your Marklin signals with the mobile station. For this example we're using a 7411 signal and I have a real simple setup here. The mobile station is connected to the track. Remember, the red wire goes to the side marked B and the brown wire goes to the side marked O. And then I took my signal and I also connected it to the track, as you can see right here. And then we have our mobile station completely empty. The first thing we want to do is we want to set the address of the signal to whatever value you pick. And today we're going to put it at the mobile station under position number 1, so we have to give it the address 1. You go to the little booklet that comes with the mobile station. It's going to be very difficult to see here, but for address number 1 I simply turn on the first switch and leave all the other ones off. So we're going to look at the dip switches on the signal. And I'll grab the signal. I'm not certain if this is easy to see, but here are the dip switches. And if you look carefully, you'll see the mark here. That's what is on, so I'll have to flip this around. Try to hold it still for you. You see the first switch is switched to on, number 2 and 3 are off, 4 and 5 are on, and everything else is back off. So what I'll do, while trying to look at the screen, I'm going to turn the 5th one off. Can't do it with this pen, it seems like. And the 4th one off. And now only the first position is switched to on and the other 9 are all switched to off. So now this address should be ready for position number 1. Put down the signal. And then I'll grab the mobile station. And it doesn't matter if you have a gray one or a black one. I'm going to hit shift and I can hit this position right here. And now I'll scroll down and then I go to accessory protocol. You only have to do this once. And I make sure it's set up for Marklin Motorola MM. That's correct, that's what I want. So now I hit this menu button. And since I set this for address number 1, the signal should work under this position. And as you can see, you can scroll to the different positions. And if you want to do it faster, you can push the shift button and then rotate the knob, which makes it scroll much faster through the keyboard. Okay, so we're going to go to position number 1. There it is. So now we can actuate 1 and 2. And like I told you, we put the signal under number 1. So let's see if it works. Ta-ta. Oh, need to take it off stop. Let's see if it works. Signal goes to red. Oh, I hope you can see the signal. The signal goes to green. Because this particular signal actually has 2 addresses, what will happen is the second position on the keyboard automatically gets used. You don't have to program that at all. So remember, we programmed this signal for address number 1. Because it needs 2 addresses, it's automatically going to occupy address number 1 on the keyboard and address number 2. So as you can see, set it to red, set it to green, but then you can also manipulate this one and it'll set the bottom signal to green as well.